In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in to TikTok Ads Manager in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a business owner looking to promote your products or a marketing professional aiming to reach a younger demographic, TikTok Ads Manager is a powerful tool that can help you achieve your advertising goals. But first, you need to know how to navigate the login process efficiently. Let's dive in. The first thing you're going to want to do is open your preferred web browser and navigate to the TikTok Ads homepage. You can do this by typing ads.tiktok.com into your browser's address bar. Once the page is loaded, you're at the right place to start the process. Now you'll see a login button somewhere on the page. TikTok's interface might change over time, but generally the login button is prominently displayed, making it easy to find. Click on this button to move forward to the next step. Next up, it's time to enter your credentials. A new page will appear asking for your email and password. This is a crucial step, so make sure the information you input is accurate. If you've previously created an account with TikTok Ads Manager, you should use the email and password you registered with. If you're having trouble remembering your password, don't worry. There's usually a forgot password option to help you reset it. Once you've filled in your email and password, you'll see another login button. Click on it to proceed. This action tells the system that you're ready to access your account, assuming of course that the details you've entered are correct. But before you gain access, there's an additional security step designed to ensure that the person attempting to log in is indeed you and not a robot. You'll be prompted to complete a CAPTCHA verification. This might involve selecting images that meet a certain criterion or typing in letters you see on the screen. Once you've successfully verified that you're human, click on the Confirm button to proceed. This extra layer of security helps protect your account from unauthorized access. Finally, and this is an important step for ensuring the security of your account, you'll need to type in a verification code. This code is sent to your email address, so you'll need to check your inbox for a message from TikTok. It's a good idea to check your spam or junk folder if you don't see it in your main inbox. After retrieving the code, return to the TikTok Ads Manager login page, enter the code where prompted, and hit submit or confirm. And there you have it, you are now logged into TikTok Ads Manager. Once logged in, you'll have access to a dashboard where you can create, manage and track the performance of your advertisements on TikTok. It's a straightforward platform, but like any other, it might take a little bit of time to familiarize yourself with all of its features and functionalities. I hope this guide has made the login process for TikTok Ads Manager clear and manageable for you. Remember, accessing your account is just the beginning. The real fun begins as you start exploring the vast array of tools and options available to promote your business or brand to millions of TikTok users worldwide. To stay on top of your advertising game, make sure to explore all the resources and tutorials provided by TikTok, and consider diving into their community forums for tips from other advertisers. And of course, stay updated with the latest trends and best practices in digital marketing to make the most out of your TikTok advertising efforts. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more guides on navigating the digital marketing landscape. Happy advertising!